Today's video, gonna be replacing the shocks on the Sierra. Not necessary, but I'm gonna do it with the axle hanging, so the shock is closer to max extension, so there's less tension to pry it out. .21mm for the bolt and nut. We'll put some tension on the lower of the pry bar so we can slide out our bolt and then let it fall. And there we go, it's out. On the inboard side of the driver's side, there's a 21mm bolt head. And tucked up between the axle and the frame is where the nut is. First, I'm just going to make sure that this is the correct length. So it pretty much looks spot on. 24 5/8. 24 5/8. Now we're going to torque it down, but we have to load the suspension, because if you torque it down up here, but the resting positions are here, you're going to twist that bushing. So we're going to leave this loose right here until we load down the suspension. Passenger side, it's on the front side of the axle. But the same thing, bolt and nut, and then a bolt and nut up here. Now with the suspension loaded, we'll go ahead and torque it down. Torque found online was 70 foot-pounds. And you go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And that's how you replace shocks on these Sierras. Hopefully this video helps you. Have a good one.